Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are featuring another oil in the oil series, and today it is castor oil. Today we're talking about castor oil. If you have not seen the past two videos that I have made, the first one was on coconut oil and the second one was on olive oil. So go and check those out after this video. I will have the linky link or whatever in the cards and down below in the description box for you guys to check out. That way you guys don't miss those. I just thought these videos would be really helpful for you guys if you were wondering, hey, what are the benefits of coconut oil versus castor oil, and which one should I get if I'm like wanting to get just one? So I thought it would be helpful for you guys. Hopefully it is. Again, I have all links and everything down below in the description box. I do get all of my oils really from Amazon. I get everything from Amazon, so I mean, but everything is down below in the description box, as well as a whole bunch of videos that I think will help you guys in your hair care journey if that's what you're interested in. So be sure to check those out down below. And also, if you guys have not subscribed, be sure to do so. It's free, guys. Come on, come on. So anyway, guys, despite all my rambling, let's hop into a video about castor oil and all the benefits about one of my absolute favorite oils. So I'm just gonna start off by saying that castor oil is, I know I say this about a lot of oils, but my top favorite oils, or one of my top favorite oils, is castor oil. I have seen the most hair growth and benefit from castor oil. Castor oil is put in different products and serums and stuff for people with hair loss, like severe hair loss. Castor oil is literally amazing for that. It also thickens your hair, it grows your hair, it makes your hair thrive. Now the one thing is, it does have a smell. It is kind of a strong smell, and it kind of can turn some people off, and then also it makes my scalp itch. So just knowing that, try it for yourself. Some of my friends said, oh yeah, it doesn't make my scalp itch at all, it's perfectly fine, this and that. So it may just be me. I've heard it from other people, but it's up to you guys and your scalp and how that works with your scalp. And like I said, castor oil is absolutely amazing in aiding hair growth, like absolutely amazing. On my channel, a lot of times I will do a castor oil challenge for a month just to see how much your hair will grow just by placing castor oil on your hair, like 3 to 4 times a week. If you guys want me to do that again, let me know down below in the comments. Anyway, castor oil also penetrates the outer layer of the hair shaft. The added regrowth and reduced hair fall make your hair thicker and stronger. Castor oil also can reduce split ends. So a lot of times what I'll do if I feel like my ends are brittle or my hair is dry or whatever, every single night or every other night I will be sure to place some type of oil on my hair, and usually the oils that I place on my hair is castor oil, because castor oil is so amazing and it thickens your hair. So I'll place it on my ends, make sure my ends are nice and hydrated, and also because castor oil is so thick, it's really good in locking in the moisture and keeping it in and really protecting your hair. Castor oil fills the damaged gaps of keratin in the hair shaft. It increases the tensile strength of the hair, making it less prone to splitting and breakage. It also is really good at treating dandruff. The antiviral and antibacterial and antifungal properties of castor oil make it effective in treating and battling dandruff. The recanolectic acid is known to balance the pH of the scalp, making it healthier and unfavorable environment for dandruff. So if you struggle with dandruff, try castor oil, place it on your scalp, and just see the benefits. Try it over, like literally try it to do for like a month, because just applying it one day probably won't help much, but if you do it consistently, you probably will see some major benefits with that. Also, castor oil controls hair fall. Here goes this word again. The recanoleic acid present in castor oil improves blood circulation to your scalp. This in turn improves follicle and scalp health and reduces hair fall. It strengthens the roots of your hair by nourishing your scalp and providing protection against microbes. So many studies have actually confirmed that castor oil is antimicrobial and contains antioxidants and can help kill off bacterial, fungal, and other infections on the scalp and skin. This also helps to rid your scalp free of radicals that can cause hair loss and premature skin aging. Also, castor oil is really good, like I said before, at taming frizzy hair and split ends, making sure those are good and healthy. Also, it is amazing at preventing like premature graying. So castor oil also makes a very effective natural moisturizer and conditioner, and it is extremely moisture rich and is able to penetrate deep into the scalp and the hair, helping to restore shine and texture. It leaves a coating on the hair shaft that helps lock in moisture and it also makes your hair appear and be smoother and healthier. So castor oil is amazing. Y'all try castor oil. You can get castor oil at Whole Foods. I think you can get it like at any like Whole Foods type of store, like Natural Grocers or Sprouts or stuff like that. But like I said, I get all of my oils from Amazon, and I will have the link down below. So anyway, I hope these videos are helpful for you guys. If they are, let me know down below in the comments. Have you guys tried castor oil? Do you like it? How does it feel on your scalp? Let me know down below in the comments. And also let me know how your healthy hair care journey is going. And also one more thing, if you guys are wanting to get in on the castor oil challenge that may or may not happen in March, if I have enough participants, we can do it. That's totally fine. So just let me know down below in the comments if that is something you would want to do with me. Basically all that is applying castor oil like 3 to 4 times a week to your scalp, and then watching your hair flourish. So anyway guys, I love you so very much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really appreciate you guys. If you guys have not subscribed, be sure you do so. That way you guys don't miss any further content from me, and then also be sure to hit the notification bell as well. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.